scapular strengthening exercise. We're gonna work on our mid traps and our low traps. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lay face first prone on the ground. Now the trick is what you wanna do is squeeze your abs, and then you wanna press your pelvis into the ground, right? Core squeeze, and then I push my pelvis forwards, right? That's called a pelvic tilt. And then you wanna place your hands on the back of your head, locking your fingers. And then you want to lift your hands off the back of your head, hold it for 3 seconds, and then lower it back down. 1, 2, 3, lower back down. You want to repeat that 12 times. We're going to do a banded thoracic rotation. So you want to grab a band. So this is about, I think, 30 pounds. So you want to attach it to a structure that can support it. So you want to place the band around your torso, underneath your armpit, just like that. Create some tension on the band. Make sure it's flat across your chest. You want to start in a quadruped position. Keep your back straight. You're going to try and resist the band. So if the band's coming from the right side, you want to rotate on the left. So you're going to put your left hand on the back of your head, right? Try to move your hips. Try to just move your upper torso. And you want to rotate down as close as you can to the right wrist with your left elbow. And then open up towards the ceiling. And you want to do that 12 times. And of course, you want to keep your abs as tight as possible throughout the movement. How you do the push-up is going to be similar for how you do the shoulder press and the chest press. So, 2 things. Number 1 is you're going to try and push using the bottom of your palm into the ground. You want to torque it like that. And then once you torque into the ground, you want to squeeze your armpits like so. So this should look like the movement, right, like this. And then you want to do the push-up. Now that helps you to engage all your upper back muscles, right? And creates a more stable position for your shoulders, and it will help you generate more power. So from the side, if you want to take a look at my hand position, right? I'm gonna actually torque my hands in like that. I'm gonna twist my hands in, right? I'm gonna actually squeeze my armpits, go into the push-up position, I'm gonna go down, ground, squeeze my armpits together, bring them down, and push back up. Now, when you do it like this, you have way more of a pump on your chest, and of course you have more for the chest press. What you want to do is 2 main things: is you want to keep the core tight. You want to also similar to all the other movements, you want to make sure that your armpits are tight, that your arms are close to your body as you can, right? So what I mean by that is elbows should be tucked in, right? You don't want to see too much flaring. This will take away a lot of your power from the upper back. Right? So keep the elbows tucked in. Again, mobility. If you have mobility, go down.